Okay, I guess most of you have joined, right? All of you can see me, right? Morning, everyone. Morning, Shusha. Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you can see me. All of you can hear me clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope all of you have revised already. I've already asked this question, right? So you have revised what we have studied last class? Yes? सब कुछ याद है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, before starting any new topic, right? Today we are going to start a new topic, which is acceleration, then uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, right? Then we talk about equation of motion. But before that, let's recall what we have studied. Okay. Now, when you talk about this chapter is, again, I'm reminding you guys, this is one of the most crucial chapters in physics. Okay, not just in 9th, but this chapter would be the first chapter of class 11th also. Okay. So in this chapter, we basically talked about motion. What is motion? What are the different kind of motion, right? Then we talked about what is rest, what is motion, what's the basic meaning of rest and motion, right? What is a relative motion? And anyways, relative motion we'll see in detail because this is a very good and interesting topic, relative motion. Then after that, we talked about distance, displacement. What's the difference between distance and displacement? What is a scalar quantity? What's the basic definition of vector quantity? I'm just talking basic definition. We'll study in detail in foundation class about vectors. Okay. Then we talked about what? Then we talked about speed, velocity. We talked about speed and velocity, right? What is non-uniform speed, right? What is uniform speed and all those things. Then we talked about graph, your xt graph. And till now we just talked about xt graph. We didn't talk about vt graph. Xt is position time graph. And then we talked about average velocity. Okay? Sorry, average speed. Not average velocity, average speed. Okay? Right? Okay, so I guess yahan tak sabko clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So we will play Kahoot also today. No issues. आज Kahoot भी खेलेंगे. और I have given you homework also. Yes or no? Right? Point 1, point 2. Module का point 1, point 2. So those who didn't get module, right? I'm thinking of getting it out from the school, right? So it will be given, right, in 1-2 days. ठीक है? चलो. So let us start a new topic called as acceleration. Everyone, start focusing here. Acceleration, है ना? So I guess every one of us kind of know this term. Hi Anna, raise your hand. How many of you know this term, right? If not exactly, have you heard of this term, right? Yes, है ना? सुना है sir, सुना है, right? When you talk about bike, we use accelerator, right? है ना? So I can say, what is this? What is this? What is this physical parameter denotes, right? So I can say, sir, as I say, velocity is rate of change of displacement. Okay, means if velocity is changing, right? If velocity is changing, sorry, yeah, if displacement is changing with respect to time, then I call it as velocity. But what if, yes, Shafan, what if we speed up, right? If our velocity changes, right? Now here I'm using the term velocity, not speed. Okay, ध्यान देना. Okay, here I'm using the term velocity, not speed. I hope all of you are very clear about speed and velocity. What's the difference, guys? Speed is just the value. Speed is just the magnitude. Right? It is distance traveled per unit time. But when you talk about velocity, it is the displacement, right? So it has both magnitude as well as direction. So for acceleration, we are concerned with direction also. Okay? So that's why acceleration is also a vector quantity. So I can say, sir, acceleration is, right, rate of change of velocity. Okay, velocity, right? Now we know that so velocity is equal to speed if the direction is not changing. Hi Anna, raise your hand. Right? If any object is moving in a straight path, if any object is moving in a straight line without changing the direction, then in that case, velocity and speed have equal magnitude, right? Equal magnitude. The magnitude would be equal. Sometimes in some textbook, right, acceleration is given as rate of change of speed also, But again, that is the velocity only, right? Where the object is moving in one direction. Clear है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये चीज, right? है ना? So what can I write? What can I write? So, sir, what can I write when you talk about the expression? So I can say, sir, as per the definition, the rate of change of velocity. So I can say change in velocity. Change in velocity, right? By time taken. By time taken. Time taken. Ayana, right? Think about it. So I can say, sir, if any object is moving, right? Initially it is moving at 5 meters per second. Okay, 5 meters per second at suppose time t is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, and then after some time, it is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second at time is equal to suppose 6 seconds. 6 seconds, right? So if I ask you, what is the acceleration? Tell me, what is the acceleration? What is the acceleration? Tell me, guys. Acceleration.
So 10 by 5.
10 or 5, because I told you change.
10 by 5.
है ना? Final minus initial. Final velocity, right? है ना? Step by step. बहुत simple concept है. Final velocity minus initial velocity. Initial velocity. Yes or no? हाँ है ना? Everyone think about it. हाँ है ना? है ना? ठीक है. Very good. Right? Divided by time taken. Time taken. Time taken. So I can say the final velocity was 10 minus initial was 5. Ayana, whereby time taken is 6 minus 2 seconds. So this is what it is. Tell me 5 by 4. है ना? 5 by 4 meter per second because the unit of speed is velocity is meter per second, whereby second. So I can say the unit is, tell me, meter per second square. I hope all of you remember the unit of acceleration, the dimension of acceleration. Hi, Anna. Right?
Yes, sir.
Rohan, it is a difference, na Rohan? Think about it, right? It is a difference now when you talk about time taken, right? So how much time it is taken, right? How much time it is taken from this to this? So initially it was 2 seconds, right? But you have a velocity of 10 meters per second at 6 seconds. So what's the difference in time? Tell me, what's the change in time? Got it, Rohan? We are getting this concept. Tell me, Rohan. Okay. Hannah, for example, if you started studying at, suppose you started your monthly class at 9 o'clock and you studied till 10:30. So how much time you studied? Tell me.
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours. So it is what? 10:30 minus 9. Clear? Right, everyone? Clear? Okay. Chalo. So this is very basic definition of, right? So I can say, okay, sir, I can write, sir, if u is initial velocity, and this is just a variable, right? I generally use u as initial velocity, generally, not always. There can be anything else also, right? But generally I use u as initial velocity. V is final velocity, है ना? Tell me. And suppose t is time taken. So can I say, sir, in that case, acceleration can be written as, tell me. Acceleration can be written as
V minus U is equal to T.
U minus U by T.
Tell me. Guys, am I audible? Tell me. Am I audible? Because I was getting a call. That's why. Am I audible? My voice is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's not low, right? Is it low? Fine.
No,
It's
sir.
not low.
Yes,
No?
sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Chalo, ठीक है.
Yes.
Here, time taken is time taken. Instead of writing T2 minus T1, I just said time taken, which is delta T, है ना? Or you can just write like this also, V minus U by T2 minus T1, right? But since T2 minus T1 will give you a time, so I'll just write it as T. ठीक है? Clear है ये चीज? Very good. Anyone have any doubt? ठीक है? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir. No
No,
doubt.
sir.
No, sir.
ठीक है, चलो, ओके, ठीक है. So यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Now my question is, because see again, this is very easy. It seems very easy. Still, students generally tends to make mistake. Now, how many variables are here? Ask yourself. Ask from a teacher point of view, right? How to make a problem, right? How many variables are there? Tell me, how many variables?
3.
3.
How many variables in this equation?
3.
3.
3.
Four variables, right? Four variables. What are these? Sir, acceleration, initial velocity, sorry, final velocity, initial velocity, and time. Hi, Anna. Tell me. Anna. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? Now, अगर मुझे क्वेश्चन बनाना है, suppose I'm a teacher who wants to make a problem, right? Based on this, what can I do? Tell me, what can I do? Think about it, step by step. Think from a teacher point of view. How to make this? Tell me, how to make this? How to make a problem out of this concept? Tell me. Can I say, sir, I will give any three variable. I'll give any three variable value. Ayana. Tell me. And ask the fourth one. And ask fourth one. Hi Anna, tell me yes or no. I'll give you U, V, T and ask V acceleration. I'll give you acceleration, initial velocity and time. I'll ask you final velocity. Hi Anna, think about it. Everyone, right? Yes or no? Because when we talk about any equation, it is just the equation. It is just a linear equation. Depending on the value, we just have to use it. So can I rearrange this equation? Tell me, can I rearrange this equation? Everyone, I hope all of you know. I'm just using this equation, right? Cross multiply it and rearrange. Cross multiply it and rearrange. So it is what? 80 is equal to V minus Q, step by step. Yes or no? 80 minus 80 V minus Q. Yes, very good, Shivansh. Everyone is getting this. I just cross multiply this. Right? Then take U to this side. They take U to this side. So can I say, sir, it is V is equal to U plus 80. Hi, Anna. Right? Or T is equal to V minus U by A. Think about it. Yes or no? Or U is equal to V minus 80. Yes or no? Think about it. How you can just transform these equations to get a desired variable. Okay. So these all are actually not different formula. They are same formula. I just wrote it in different way. So I use this equation for what? For acceleration. For finding acceleration. I'll use this equation to find what? Final velocity. I use this equation to find what? Time. And I use this equation, right? This equation to find initial velocity. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt
No,
in
sir.
this?
No doubt.
Right? Clear
Okay.
है? Now, generally, when you talk about this, right? Think about it. So, is it necessary that the final velocity is more than initial velocity? Tell me, is it necessary? Tell me, is it necessary?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No? Yes. So I can say, sir, right? It is not necessary that, right, initial velocity should be less than final velocity. But if velocity is decreasing, think about it. Case one. If final velocity is greater than initial velocity, right? है ना? Final velocity is greater than initial velocity. ठीक है, step by step. Initial velocity, right? है ना? Think about it. Then I can say, sir, in this case, A is equal to V minus U by T. And here, V minus U will be what? Greater than 0, yes or no? Hi, Anna. Because since V is greater than U, V minus U is greater than 0. Agree? Agree? Hi, Anna. Tell me, step by step.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. So can I say, sir, right? If this is the case, and can time be negative? Tell me, can time be negative?
No, sir.
Think about
No,
it.
sir.
No, sir.
No, right? Sir, no, it is not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Time can never be negative. So if solving any equation, right? If you're getting negative time means you're making some mistake. Okay. So in this case, acceleration is positive, right? Acceleration is positive. Is positive. Clear hai? Hi, Anna. Means the object is speeding up, right? The object is speeding up. है ना? Speed उसका बढ़ रहा है. Agree? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Right? So let us take case 2. Case 2. If V is less than U. ठीक है? If V is less than U. Right? अगर कम हो गया means final velocity is less than initial velocity. Think about it. Is less than initial velocity. Now in this case, formula तो same रहेगा ना sir, formula तो नहीं change हो जाएगा. Formula is this only, V minus U by T. But what do you think? What is V minus U? It will be positive or negative? Tell me.
Negative.
Negative.
Very good, everyone. Anvita, Adarsh, everyone, Shapan. Everyone is getting this?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Muhil, Inchara, Avni.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. So this is less than 0, which is negative. And time is positive. Can I say, sir, in this case, acceleration is negative? Acceleration is negative. Yes or no? Right? And what is the meaning of negative acceleration?
Going backwards.
Yes, it is slowing down. Slowing down. है ना? Right? And this is also called as retardation. Retardation. ठीक है? समझो एक चीज को. If acceleration is negative, it means retardation. So tell me one thing, right? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
ना? I guess this concept is clear. But ask, do you have any doubt in this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt.
But when we talk about this acceleration, is it your this average acceleration or instantaneous acceleration? Tell me, is it your average acceleration or instantaneous acceleration?
Average.
Sir,
Average.
average.
Very good, right?
Average.
Everything that we are studying, it is average acceleration. ठीक है? हम लोगों ने जो भी पढ़ा है, that is the average acceleration. Right? Average acceleration. Right? What about instantaneous acceleration? Tell me. Sir, concept तो same रहेगा sir. Right? Concept will be same. Right? But instantaneous acceleration, instantaneous means at the same moment, at that time, right? Which means the time taken is very less. So it is given as dv by dt. Differentiation is used. So अभी हम लोग नहीं पढ़ेंगे. We will study in foundation class. तो हम लोग अभी नहीं पढ़ेंगे. समझ में आया? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये चीज? हाँ या ना? Everyone is getting this?
Yes, sir.
बस जानने के लिए भाई होता क्या है. तो हम लोग एवरेज एक्सेलरेशन पढ़ रहे हैं, and the concept to find average acceleration is same as the concept to find average velocity. ठीक है? Right? Okay. So let us solve one problem. Right? Concept check. Concept check. ठीक है? Okay. So the question is like this. A car starts from rest and cover a distance of 10 meter in first 5 seconds and a distance of 20 meter in next 5 seconds. Next 5 seconds. 5. My 5 and S look same. Okay, so I'll just write this 5. Next 5 seconds. Okay, right? When moving in a straight line. When moving, horrible at making the mistakes, spelling mistakes. Earlier it was better. It was correct. Moving in a straight line. Straight line. Right? Okay. Find acceleration. Okay. Find A. Everyone. Step by step. Everyone. Easy. Very easy. Tell me. Step by step. Tell me everyone. Easy. Step by step. Sanvi. Shivansh. Okay. Many students are giving wrong answer. Okay, first of all, right, guys, first of all, step by step. Here, U and V is not given. Yes or no? Tell me. Concept, sir, here, U and V is not given, but you can calculate U and V. So first you have to find U and V. So what is U, guys? Tell me, what is U? What is U?
Initial value.
What? Tell me, sir, 10 meter in 5 seconds. Start from rest, right? Start from rest. So it is 10 minus 0 by 5. So it is 2 meter per second. Yes or no? Tell me. U is 2 meter per second. Anyone have any doubt in this? Very good. Very good. Step by step. What is V? What is V? Sir, 20, right? It starts from 10 to 20. 10 to 20. Right? Think about it. So it is what?
4 meter per second.
Minus 10. By distance is again 5. Tell me, yes or no? Hi, Anna. Hi, Anna. Right? But that is a mistake. That is a mistake. The distance covered is 20. It is not the position. So those who did this is wrong, right? The distance covered is 20. So this is 20. Clear hai? So this is your 4 meter per second. समझ में आया? Yes or no? Because it is not the position, right? It is not the position. ठीक है? It is the next distance, right? After 10 meters, the next 5 seconds, the distance covered is 20 meter. ठीक है? So this is 4 meter per second. है ना? So what is the time taken? What is time taken? Time taken is what? So it is 5 seconds because it is given that change is 5 seconds, है ना? Right? So 5 seconds, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is acceleration, guys? Tell me.
2 by 5.
Yes, correct. Right? So 4 minus 2 by 5.
Two by 5.
ठीक है, कितना हो गया? What is the answer? शिवांश, एक चीज बताओ. What is this T? What is this T? T is the time जिसमें change हुआ है. हाँ या ना? Think about शिवांश. T is the time जिसमें change हुआ है. तो change किसमें हुआ है? Next 5 seconds में ना, the velocity changed in next 5 seconds ना, yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है? Right everyone? सबको समझ में आया? टाइम जिसने 10 seconds लिया उसको समझ में आ रहा है? Time taken, why time taken is 5 seconds? Because initial 5 seconds में वो already 2 meter per second हो गया था. तो next 5 seconds में वो 4 meter per second हुआ. So जो change हुआ, that changes in 5 seconds, right? So this is 4 minus 2 by 5, which is 0.4 meter per second square. हाँ या ना? अब समझ में आया ये सबको? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
आदर्श definition जो होता है velocity वो क्या होता है? Change. It is not the absolute. It is always the change, right? अब बताओ, right? Think about it. अगर तुम उसको graphically देखो तो ऐसा है ना, sir A point से B point से C point गया है. A से B गया, A से B distance is 10 meter and ये time रहा 5 seconds. And B से C is your 20 meter and this time is also 5 seconds. तो यहाँ पे velocity क्या होगा? Tell me what is the velocity at this point? So it is 10 by 5 ना, which is 10 by 5, 2 meter. हाँ या ना? And यहाँ पे क्या होगा? So ये distance देखिए ना, what is this distance? This distance is what? 20 and time is 5. ठीक है? Okay? Right? Average निकाल रहे ना आदर्श. We are talking about average, right? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, that is the whole concept. This formula is used for average. It is not instantaneous. ठीक है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ये चीज? Tell me. हाँ या ना? Right? Obviously, B instantaneously कुछ change करेगा, but we are not concerned about instantaneous. ठीक है? चलो. Now, next concept is, tell me, next concept is uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform and non-uniform acceleration. Acceleration. Now tell me, what is the meaning of uniform acceleration? Everyone. Tell me. What is the meaning of uniform acceleration? Everyone. Tell me. बहुत easy. Sir, same concept sir, जो uniform velocity में है. Right? Yes. Uniform acceleration means at constant speed. Remember, speed. Right? Yeah, same speed. Same speed. Right? In same direction. Same direction. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? Yes or no?
Sir.
Right? It does not mean that velocity is zero. It does not mean that velocity is zero. That velocity or speed is zero. ठीक है? It just means that वो same रहेगा, है ना? वो same रहेगा, right? Okay? ठीक है? Example. Sir, example कुछ भी हो सकता है. There's no such example like this, right? कोई भी case can be taken as example. So I'll just take one case. ठीक है? I'll take one case. Concept check. ठीक है? Now think about it. Think about it. Suppose I'm having, right? Suppose I'm having this time versus no Rohan, uniform speed means same distance and same time. But here it means same, tell me, speed, right? Same velocity at same time. There's a difference, na, Rohan? Okay, I'll give you example. Think about it. Time, right? This is velocity and this is displacement, x. Think about it. So time 0, velocity 0, displacement also 0. Time 1 second. This is suppose 2 meters per second. The distance covered. Okay, first let's write 2. This is 2. This is 4. This is 3. This is 6. This is 4. This is 8. This is 5. This is 10. ठीक है, ध्यान दो, step by step. Okay, right? And this is what? This is 2. This is 8. Right? This is 18. This is 24. This is 50. Now tell me, think about it. Everyone, think about it. अब समझ में आ रहा सबको? Everyone is getting this now. Tell me, yes or no? Everyone is getting this? Now, do you think, sir, it is a uniform? Tell me, right? है ना? Right? So if you see, sir, if you take any two time interval, the change in velocity is same. हाँ या ना? Any two time interval, right? ठीक है? Change is same. Constant change, right? हाँ या ना? Tell me. यहाँ भी 2, यहाँ भी 2, यहाँ भी 2, यहाँ भी 2. The change is same. Yes or no? Constant change, right? This change. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So if you,
Below 4 and 8, 32 would come, no, sir?
yeah, sorry, 32. So if you talk about the graph, right? Let us talk about the graph for now. है ना? Graph देखते एक बार. Everyone, look at the graph here. Okay. So this is suppose, now again this graph. I'll make two graphs over here. Okay. This is t versus u graph, and this is t versus x graph. Will the two graph be same? Tell me, will the two graph be same? Ayana. Let us put a point. Let us plot a point. Sir, it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? So 1 पे 2 है. Yeah, this is this point. Everyone, let us put a point. This 2 पे 4 हो गया. 3 पे 6 हो गया. 4 पे 8 हो गया. And 5 पे 10 हो गया. Yes or no? Tell me. So what is this graph like? Tell me, what is this graph like?
Uniform.
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 Right? Straight line? Yes or no? Hi Anna. Agree? Right? So दिख रहा है ये. This is exactly the same graph that we obtain in XT curve, right? But this is UT curve. ध्यान दो. This is UT curve. This is not XT curve. समझ में आया? Right? This is not XT. This is UT. So this is uniform acceleration. It is uniform acceleration. ठीक है? Not uniform speed. ध्यान दो. It's uniform acceleration, not uniform speed. ठीक है? Uniform speed means speed is same, but here speed is changing, but acceleration is same. ठीक है? Same acceleration, right? So ध्यान दो. तुम लोग यहाँ जो मैंने लिखा, that is your at constant change in speed, right? Or I can just rewrite this, right? My bad. I just rewrite it. Yeah. Okay. It means at same acceleration, same acceleration. Actually, it is same change in speed, right? So same acceleration. ठीक है? Or same change in speed. Same change in speed or velocity in same direction. ठीक है? Right? What about XT curve? Tell me, what about XT curve? Everyone, what about XT curve? Think about it. ये 0 हो गया. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. But this cannot be written. This cannot be written in 1-2 scale. So I'll just write 5-5 scale. ठीक है? 5-5 का scale भी लिखता हूँ. So this is 5. This is 10. 15. 20. 25. 30. 35. 40. I will go up. 45. 50. ठीक है? Now 0 पे 0, step by step. See, 0 पे 0, right? 1 पे 2, 1 पे यहाँ कुछ आएगा 2, 2 पे 8 आ गया, 2 पे 8 आ गया यहाँ पे ये, 3 पे 18, this 4 पे 32, okay, somewhere like this, 5 पे somewhere like this, sorry, my bad. Okay, 4 is there, like this. 5 पे 50, like this. Now don't think sir, graph is like this. Graph is like this. 3 पे यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Ayana, tell me, everyone, think about it. Everyone, think about it.
Yes, sir.
So is it a straight line? Tell me, is it a straight line or is it a curved line?
This is
Curve
curved
line.
line.
Curved line.
Curved line,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Curved line.
ठीक है, anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So let us play one Kahoot. Everyone, just give me a minute. Okay, we will start now. First, what is the average speed equation? I guess we have played this. Yes or no? I think we have played this. Anyways, let us see. Short. What would be the average velocity? What would be the average velocity? Okay. Correct. Still some students are making mistake, guys. We have already played this. I remember we have already played this. It is a revision. Still 3 students are making mistake. What about others? Next. Outcome 18. Average speed is what? Distance by time. Average speed, guys. Speed. You guys don't revise, right? Last question. Can't say, na, right? Because it is not given. Speed is not given. We had already done this, right? So this was a repeated one. Okay, this was a repeated one. Okay, Samad, remember everything. Varsha, very good. And then who's first? Shivansh. Okay, we'll start. Tell me, which line shows uniform motion? Red line, right? Red line, na? Red line. ये फर्जी था, बाकी दो ऑप्शन फर्जी था. Okay. Next, how is uniform motion depicted on a position time graph? Yes, a straight line, na? A straight line, right? Yes or no? Doesn't matter if it is positive or negative, because even negative slope like this, right, is also uniform motion, na? Speed is decreasing, as simple as that. Speed is not decreasing, speed is negative, means it is moving in backward direction. It's like that. Now tell me, which part of the graph is illustrating non-uniform motion? Which part? A, B, C, or D? Easy. This is easy. Very good. It is D, na? See, it is D because A is a straight line with positive slope. Yes or no? A is a straight line with positive slope. What's the meaning of B, guys? What's the meaning of B?
Neutral
B,
slope.
Rest.
right? Zero slope means it is not moving. It means it is at rest. Ayana. B means it is at rest. It is not moving. Yes or no? Because position is not changing, na? Even though the time is changing, position is not changing. So it is at rest, right? What is the meaning of C? Sir, C means negative slope. Means it is going back in reverse direction. And D is curved. D is curved. Ayana. So it is non-uniform speed, right? Because it is position versus time graph. Hai na? It may be constant acceleration, but question is non-uniform, uniform, and non-uniform motion, right? Which is your speed. Okay, next. Non-uniform motion is impossible to achieve. Tell me, non-uniform motion is impossible to achieve. It is obviously false, na, right? Obviously false. Hai na? Okay, next. Last question of this Kahoot. Non-uniform motion occurs in case of heavy traffic. Yes, true, right? Sometimes you stop, sometimes you move at random speed. Enough. So that is correct. Let us see the podium. Shivan's third place. Okay, very good. Tejas second place. First place. Varsha. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. Then fourth was fifth Rohan. Rohan, right? Okay, very good. Enough. So let's play one more Kahoot. Today is Kahoot day. Because in next class we will start the equation of motion. If change in velocity is 20 meter per second for a car running for 10 seconds, find its acceleration. You have to write. And guys, please write the unit. Take your time, take your time. You have lots of time. Jalen, okay, what to do now? It should be easy. Everyone should have solved it, right? Bhumika, Samarth, Sanketi, Shreya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, easy. 5 seconds remaining. Super easy question, right? Super easy. Anna, everyone should be correct, right? If there's a typo error, it's fine. Who said 10 meter per second square? Who said 2 kilometer per second? Only 6 students. Okay, those who wrote units, that's correct, right? Don't worry. Don't worry. Those who wrote units, that's also correct, right? So it is again the error in this. I'll rectify it, right? It should be with errors. Okay, it should be with this units also. So don't worry about this, guys. Don't worry. 2 is the correct answer, by the way. This one, if acceleration is 20 meter per second square for 10 seconds, and for a car starting from rest, find the final velocity. Tell me, everyone. It is easy. 3 informations, right? 3 informations given. And now, 4th information is asked. Twenty-three students gave the answer till now. 10 seconds left, guys. 10 seconds left. By the way, attendance of only those students will be taken, right? Who will be at the last, right? I'll take the attendance at last. So the answer is what? 200. Okay. Those who've written meter per second, it's fine. Your answer is also correct. Okay. So U is equal to what? So U is equal to 0. Ayana, because it's starting from rest. V is equal to what? So V is equal to, we need to find. What is A? So it is given as 20 meter per second square. And time is given as 10 seconds. So obviously out of 4, 3 is given, 1 is asked. So what is V? V is equal to U plus 80. Hi Anna. I hope all of you remember, sir. We remember, sir. Yes or no? Right? We remember this from this equation. Yes or no? Right? From here we remember this. Okay. So I can say, right? Put the value. So V is equal to U is 0 plus A is 20 into 10. This is 200 meter per second, right? Okay. So those who have written 200 or 200 meter per second, both are correct. Don't worry. Okay. Next. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. True or false? Basic definition. Yes. Yes. No, that is a definition, right, guys? That is a definition. Rate of rate of change of velocity, right, is your acceleration. Fourth one. Tell me, fourth one. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Okay. Okay. Let us see what's the answer. 500, right? 9 students have the correct answer. Let us see how. Sir, A is given. A is equal to 50. And step by step. A is equal to 50. Time is equal to what? Sir, time is 10 minutes. Dhyan do, unit conversion, which is equal to 600 seconds. Yes or no? That is the concept, right? 600 seconds. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Tell me, हाँ या ना? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? It is 600 seconds. Right? Find the change in its velocity. You have to find change in its velocity. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. So change in velocity is given by acceleration into time. You don't have to find initial final velocity, but instead you have to find change in velocity. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? यहाँ तक में कोई दिक्कत है?
Sir.
Right? So this is equal to 50 into, tell me, 10 minutes. So answer is wrong. हाँ या ना? Answer wrong है ना? हाँ कि नहीं? Right? Answer is wrong. Right? As simple as that. ठीक है? So it is 3000. So यहाँ पे answer wrong है. This is wrong answer. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Think about it. Don't you think, sir, answer is wrong, sir?
Sir, if it will be 10 seconds, then it will be 500.
Exactly. But this is wrong, na? This is 10 minutes. Right? It should be second. ठीक है? So ये 9 लोग गलत है. ठीक है? ये 9 लोग गलत है. But again, ठीक है? Right? I hope all of you understood the concept. Right? It's 3000. Correct answer is 3000. This is wrong. Correct answer is 3000. ठीक है? Correct answer is 3000. ठीक है? Right, everyone? Tell me. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? The correct answer is 3000. ठीक है? Right? So forget about this. Okay, this is wrong. तो ये थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो गया. Right? चलो. Anyways, I don't think that there's a much change in this. Right? The answer is 3000. Last question, guys. Last question. 27 seconds left. Forty-one seconds left, guys. Okay. Everyone answer. What's the answer? Let's just see. How many of you gave correct answer? 15 students. Okay. So यहाँ भी गलती है क्या?
So 200 by 20 is 10.
Change in velocity, delta V. Change in velocity is given as 200. Easy, right? Uniform acceleration. Acceleration is given as 20 meter per second, right? Then that is easy, right? Time is equal to what? Change in velocity by acceleration. है ना? So this is equal to 200 by 20. This is 10 seconds. ठीक है? Correct. Right? Let's see podium. Okay, very good, everyone. Very good. Right? Very good. Try to solve this problem. Everyone try to solve this problem. So two friends A and B started from same location, okay, and went 30 kilometers along the road in the same direction. In the same direction, right? So figure 2.13 shows their motion through graphs. Answer the following question. When did A start? Easy. Batao, A. I'll just write it down.
10 a.m.
Very good. Question, right? A. So when did A start?
10 a.m.
A started 10 a.m. Very good. 10 a.m. Okay. Right? B1.
11.
11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Very good. B is 11 a.m. Correct. What about C?
15 kilometer.
15 kilometers.
Tell me, what is the answer?
15 kilometer.
15. How come?
Sir, 20 kilometers.
How come?
20.
Please, sir.
Sir,
Think
because at 11 a.m. A was at 15 kilometer.
yes. So just draw a straight line like this. है ना? Wait. Just draw a straight line. Just draw a straight line from point. Tell me. Just draw a straight line from this point. है ना? Just draw a straight line like this. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? है ना? Tell me, at what point this point is intersecting this A? बताओ, किस point पे intersect कर रहा है? What do you think?
15 kilometer.
15.
15, right? It is intersecting at 15. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है concept देखो concept, right? So this is 15 kilometer, है ना? Because when this B at 0, when B is at 0, A will be at 15. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? 15 kilometers. Sorry. Doubt in this? Right? What about D? What about D? What is the answer of D?
Both of them
Yes,
were in
both.
uniform motion.
Both.
Yes, very good. Because sir, it is xt versus distance versus time graph, and it is a straight line, है ना? So it is both. Both moves in uniform motion, uniform speed, right? Both moves with uniform speed, है ना? चलो. What is the answer of E?
So first answer is second B.
10:30. 10:30. Common sense. So 10:30 में तो ये B तो मूवी नहीं कर रहा था, हाँ या ना? Right? 10:30 में तो बी मूव ही नहीं कर रहा था, 10:30 में the answer A. And what about 11:15? 11:15 में किसका स्पीड ज्यादा है?
B.
B.
ठीक है, so we have already studied that sir slope है ना, slope of this line tells us about the speed. Slope ज्यादा होगा, so see here the slope is more as compared to, yes or no, right? Tell me, slope A का ज्यादा है कि B का ज्यादा है?
B का.
Tell me. B का ज्यादा है ना, so we know sir slope of xt curve represents what? Slope of xt curve represents what? Represents, tell me, speed या speed है ना, और velocity, डिपेंडिंग ऑन ये x क्या है, यहाँ पे x डिस्टेंस है ना, तो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? स्पीड रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. अगर x यहाँ पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट होता, then it would have represented velocity. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now what about
No,
F?
sir.
What about F?
11:20 at 20 kilometer.
11:20 at 20 kilometers.
Yes, very good. 11:20 AM and 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer. Very good. What about,
45 minutes.
tell me, how long we waited for A after reaching the destination?
45 minutes.
Yes, so B reached the destination at this time. At this time, है ना? Which is 11:30. B reached at 11:30. But A reached at
12 noon.
12. So tell me, well, how many minutes?
30.
30 minutes.
Minutes, right? The answer is 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Got it, everyone? Everyone got this? Raise your hand, yes or no?
Yes.
सबको समझ में आ गई
Yes,
है?
sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No,
Okay.
sir.
I guess this concept is clear, right? You understood the concept of acceleration and then xt graph, है ना? So next class we will talk about equation of motion. ठीक है? That is very important topic. Okay, right, everyone? Shishant, Mohil, Trisha, everyone, Varsha, Raghavi,
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आया? I'll send the notes. Don't worry, I'll send the notes and as well as recordings. Right? Very good, Deepa. Very good, Sankiti. ठीक है, चलो. Okay. Bye, everyone. Take care. Right? I hope all of you understood everything. है ना? Now, those who want some extra material, I have already uploaded one book. ठीक है? Right? Apart from those who don't have any reference book, I've already uploaded one book in the Google Classroom. You can just refer those books. ठीक है? Right? And I will be uploading some advanced problem solving also. Apart from module, if someone feel that module is easy, I'll just send another set of problems on Google Classroom, extra advanced problems. ठीक है? चलो. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Bye
Thank you,
everyone.
sir. Bye, sir.